Platinum time. Let's hope this has some platinum in it. Some ice. For those who are hitless, I sure in hell hope you hit soon. Or get some really shiny colored stuff. Base, a Mike Glennon rookie card for the Bucks, and a Jamal Charles thick card. It's got an interesting design to it. It's very, what would you call it? Happy. Base. Stedman Bailey rookie card, and a Percy Harvin in a Vikings uniform thick card. Base. Uh-oh. There he is. Manti Te'o, the black version, rookie card. And a Julius Peppers. That SP for real? Base. Monte Ball, rookie. And a Calvin Johnson Jr. base. A base. It's a nice one. Bernard Robertson, rookie. Oh, okay. Can't beat that. And a D'Angelo Williams thick card. There it is. Only when you show up is it rigged. That's a nice one. E.J. Manuel, rookie. What's going on, sir? And a DeMarcus Ware. Insert. How you doing, sir? A base. Nice. Die cut of Bernard Robinson. Very funky. And a Tavon Austin sparkly McGladder JoJo. And a Antonio Gates thick card. Base. Justin Hunter and a Sammy B.
That's a tough catch. You're running your route, you stop, you come back. Really, that's one of these passes in this drive have been broken up.
Base. DeAndre Hopkins, rookie, and a Dez Bryant. What they watching for you to get? Oh, they get on when you get on, you mean? Geno Smith, refractor backer, and a Josh Freeman.
They really don't want to run the quarterback as an option. They want to see really kept it alive and not running.
That's part of breaking, my man. This must be the hit. It's all backwards and retarded. And I can't slow roll it because it was backwards and retarded. Stedman Bailey on card autograph for the Whams. And a RG knee for the, whatchamacallits. Yeah, they've been doing it for many moons, sir. Marcus Lattimore, rookie. And a Torrey Smith. You figure guys will try to get on the same page, but they never have. Zach Dice for the Broncos, and a CJ Spiller. And that's the patch. They did no justice hiding it.
Knocked out of bounds by Hughes after a pickup of 6.
Giovanni Bernard, 2-color patch. Whoa, the short print one, numbered out of 4,856. 191 out of 250. You know, those are rare in this stuff. And the rookie is Marcus Wheaton. Yeah, you know those are hard. Yeah, no, me and Jay used to talk about that shit 5 years ago. Nobody gives a shit. This is the auto again, I guess, yeah. Niles Davis, rookie on-card autograph for the Chiefs. And a Philadelphia Rivers. Where's the rookie in that? Well, I guess it didn't have one. They just being rude, son. I'm sorry if I'm on, but my 2 people shouldn't have hurt your your filling stuff. Arthur Brown rookie card and a Kendall Wright thick card. I'm sorry. I'll return my 2 people back to you. We'll be done shortly. Tyler Bray rookie and a Cameron Newton. I'll give you my 2 people here. I'll speed it up for you. Just give you 2 people back. A Cordero Patterson. And a Ed Reed. And man, this is the last. I ain't got nothing left but a bunch of loose boxes, man. Sometimes you better know when to hold them, when to fold them. Derek Rogers. And a Colin Caperdapper. Thick card. On the tweeter. D. Milner. And a Jake Footlocker. We shall return.